January 1st, 2020, three snowmobilers recreating near Lake Dinah, near Silly Lake, were caught in an avalanche. On January 2nd, I went to visit the scene. These three snowmobilers were all on the same slope. Two of them were fully buried, one was partially buried. Rider 1 was stuck near the tree. Rider 2 and 3 went up to assist him. When Rider 3 got on site, an avalanche was triggered that swept them down, was released up near the crown, near the top of the face there. The crown was about 3 feet deep and about 60 feet across. This is where Rider 1 was found with a probe strike. He was not wearing a beacon. Rider 3 was partially buried on the flank and was able to extricate himself and was able to do a transceiver search and recovered Rider 2. Rider 2 was buried about 6 feet down. Rider 1 was buried 235 centimeters down and was found with a probe strike, and he had a deployed airbag. The debris, this avalanche, averaged 5 to 6 feet deep. It ran about 560 feet. I'm standing on the flank of it, on the right-hand flank. There you can see, barely make out the crown past the trees up in the rock bands. Our condolences go out to the family and friends of those lost. There were 2 fatalities from the fully buried individuals. Our thanks goes out to all the parties involved in the search and rescue efforts. Ski and ride safe.